2023 Ford Mustang. With less than 48,000 miles on the odometer, this coupe is sleek and stylish with added comforts. In addition to its fantastic fit and finish, you'll also get lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, turbocharged engine, blind spot monitor, backup camera, convertible soft top, rain sensing wipers, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights. This stylish, long-lasting ride won't last long, so hurry!